Good journey, everyone at home. We're here to show you in depth some of the most desired items from aboard the Halcyon ship, the Galactic Starcruiser. Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser now open at the Walt Disney World Resort. Obviously, the ship doesn't hold a lot of people and it's very expensive to go. And so these items are super rare in that only so many people every year are even going to have access to buy these. You have to be a guest on the Starcruiser to get them, and there are some very desirable items in the fact that they are legacy lightsabers and things of that sort. So what we're going to talk about on this particular unboxing, we're going to look at in depth at the Legacy Lightsaber that is exclusive to the ship, as well as this accessory, this shield, which is meant to go along with it. So let's get started. Let's talk about it. First, I'm going to move this out of the way because this thing is giant. We'll come back to this. Let's just focus on this guy. This is the Legacy Lightsaber, available exclusively on the Halcyon. It comes in a black box, which is different. Usually these are gray when you get them at Doc-on-Dar's Den of Antiquities in Galaxy's Edge. I don't know, Jake, can we put it on this camera already? Maybe the box. Yeah, there we go. That's beautiful. So the first thing you'll notice is we have that wonderful Chandrilla Starline logo here. It's shiny. It's very pretty. And again, we got the black case this time. Yeah. Let's pop this open. You push this in, it pops open, and we're met with packaging things. Some sort of warning. We don't need this. Get this out of the way. We know how to handle these. We'll be fine. Oh, we got some packaging. We're going to take this packaging out. This one allows you to customize it. There's a spot on the blade where you can put one of these Arabesh letters in, these little metal Arabesh letters. It comes with all, I like that it comes with all of them. You don't have to like pick in the store, you know. So at any point you can change these. You have all the little letters you could possibly want. They're here. And then for the hilt, let's take the hilt out. I guess we should open one of these little letter packs and attach one and see how that goes. Probably worth our time. I'm just going to pull one out at random here. I don't even know what letter it is. Yep, just pops on real easy. So this is the training hilt. This is a replica of the training hilt that is used in the lightsaber training class that the Saja give on board the Halcyon. So this looks just like the one you actually use there. So here by this red button that does nothing, right by this red button, there's this weird little circle, and then we can just push down. I didn't straighten it out, but you get the idea. And there it is. It's on there now. There you go. My favorite detail is the bottom of the hilt has that Chandrilla Starline logo at the bottom, which is great. It's all metal. Metal, some rubber, some plastic pieces like the part where you can attach to your belt. Belt clip, and then of course if you want to replace the batteries, this end cap comes out, and there's the thing you got to unscrew to replace the batteries. I wonder if I'm gonna perform an experiment real quick. I bought this Rancor end cap in Galaxy's Edge. I wonder, does this fit on a Legacy? A lot of stuff isn't supposed to work with Legacy stuff, so I don't know if this would even work or not. Nope, completely different size. They know what they're doing. They don't want you to be able to do that. So fun fact. Obviously, Legacy sabers don't have Kyber crystal involved either, so there's no Kyber crystal to get to in the center of this thing. It also comes with this end cap, this protective end cap. We're going to remove that because we're going to put a blade in this and show you what it actually does in a few moments. So yeah, this is the training hilt. I don't know what else to say about it. It's a hilt. It's very exciting. Okay, let's put that aside. We'll ignite that. We're going to shut the lights here and ignite that shortly. I want to talk about the accompanying piece for this. Okay, so next thing we're going to pull up here, I'll bring the packaging up so you can see the thing it comes in. This is the shield. These are both, so these are the two things that you use, replicas of the two things you use in the lightsaber training course aboard the Starcruiser. These shields come into play later. You grab them off the wall. Comes in this nice package where if you never want to open it, you can display it like this in the package, which is great. So unlike the hilt, there's a lot of plastic here. This is all plastic. But if we flip this around, this is actually metal. This is nice solid metal. These are plastic again with rubber handles. So there is a metal part on here. There's a little button and a switch, and we'll show you in a few moments what that does. But yeah, I mean, fairly simple device. Mostly plastic, though. It is cheaper. It's absolutely cheaper than the hilt. But it makes a nice set. You have the full set of the items you played around with in the lightsaber training class. All right, the lights are off because we're going to turn these on. So here we go. If I can find the switch. There it is. So it's a blue blade, just like in the training. You hear the noises it's making. All sorts of things. Then we're going to turn on the shield. Well, let's do the shield separately so you can hear those noises separately, shall we? Let's do that. All right, I'm going to find the buttons on the shield now. There it is. You hear the noises that are happening. And when you make an impact, nope, you got to hit it pretty hard. You see that flash of light and that sound effect. And this also can change colors. There's a button so it can match your various lightsaber colors. So we have, obviously we're on blue here, green, red, dark side, yellow, in case you bought a Jedi Temple Guard lightsaber for some reason. Purple? Kind of purple. Purple-ish. What we believe to be white. Back to blue. So, I'm going to ignite the lightsaber again. You can see the two together. Here they are. Here's the set. Use this to illuminate the front of the shield. Looks great. Use the shield to light up the hilt a little bit. There you go. So there we have both. Obviously the same with... I'm going to turn this off for a second. Same thing with this. When you make contact, flash a light and a noise effect, sound effect. And some sound effects occasionally upon movement. Doesn't always work. There you go. Yeah, so the lightsaber, Jake in the back asked an interesting question. Is the lightsaber only one color? Yeah, the lightsaber is one color because that's the color of this Legacy lightsaber. The thoughtful thing with the shield was they thought, oh, maybe you want a shield and then you have other lightsabers at home you want to, not necessarily this one that you want to use the shield with. Well, then in that case, we've given you a bunch of colors to play with. So I think that's pretty thoughtful. I like that you use the shield pretty much with any of them. It's nice. It's a nice thought. So the pricing on these, the shield is, Legacy shield is $150. This, the hilt with no blade, by the way, blade's not included, that's additional charge. The hilt itself is available for $170. So it is a pricey set, but again, you're the only people that can buy it if you're on the Starcruiser. No one else can get these. So it's a pretty exclusive Star Wars souvenir, which Star Wars collectors typically, you know, like that, any sort of collector, you like that exclusivity. I know that's why I was drawn to them. I thought it was really cool to have a set that's exclusive to a theme park offering. That's the same reason people collect the Legacy lightsabers and the Savi's lightsabers and those things. And this is a fun ancillary set. They also sell on board the Halcyon. If you want to really complete things, they have a custom sheath. This is only for the Starcruiser. This is available. I like that it has this little, I don't know, gimmick. I don't know what to call this little plastic bit that has some buttons and things going on it, which is a lot of fun. Of course, special tag which says Shangela Starline is there. And yeah, just this special writing up here on the front. I don't even know what that says. We'll have someone translate it and we'll put it on the screen for you. There you go. This is $49.99, this premium sheath. And again, exclusive to the Starliner, so you probably want to get one, right? I mean, you might as well. You spent all this money already, right, folks? So there you have it. There is the Legacy Lightsaber version of the training lightsaber from the Halcyon, as well as the training shield, available in Legacy form aboard Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser. Pick them up if you like.